Dreaming of Bali? Whether you're a budget traveler or looking for a luxurious getaway, Bali has something for everyone. Here's a perfect 7-day itinerary that balances relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences. All right, let's dive right in. Day 1 and 2. Start your journey in Seminyak, a vibrant area known for its upscale beach resorts and lively nightlife. Known for its pristine beaches and luxury stays, Seminyak offers a chic start to your Bali adventure. You can find everything from high-end boutiques to trendy cafes here. Spend your days lounging by the beach, enjoying world-class dining, and maybe even indulging in a bit of spa therapy. Don't forget to catch the stunning sunsets. Day 3. Head over to Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali. It's the cultural heart of Bali. Here you can immerse yourself in traditional Balinese culture and art. Don't miss the sacred Monkey Forest sanctuary and the breathtaking Tegalalang rice terraces. These iconic spots offer a glimpse into Bali's natural beauty and rich heritage. It's a perfect blend of nature and culture. You can also visit local markets and art galleries. Day 4. Get ready for an early start with a sunrise hike up Mount Batur. Trust me, the view from the top is absolutely worth the effort. The panoramic vistas are simply breathtaking. Watching the sunrise over the horizon is simply magical. It's an experience you'll never forget. Day 5. Set sail to Nusa Penida, an island that feels like a hidden paradise. This island is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes and pristine beaches. It's perfect for a day of exploration and relaxation. Visit Kecak Beach and Angel's Billabong for some jaw-dropping sights. These natural wonders are Instagram-worthy and will leave you in awe. Day 6. Time for some underwater adventure in Amed, a coastal village known for its diving spots. This coastal village is famed for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, snorkeling here is a must-do. The underwater world is teeming with colorful coral reefs and exotic fish. Day 7. Wrap up your trip with a day of shopping in Uluwatu. This area is known for its surf spots and cliffside views. Pick up some souvenirs and catch the mesmerizing Kecak dance at sunset. This traditional performance is a must-see and offers a perfect end to your Bali adventure. With this plan, you'll experience the best of Bali, from luxury to adventure, culture to nature. Save this video for your next trip and make your Bali dreams come true. Whether you're traveling solo, with friends or family, this itinerary has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and itineraries. Safe travels. We hope to see you in Bali soon.